Greetings from Fire Island, New York. Here is an August summer look at the Atlantic Ocean. And there is the Fire Island Lighthouse. Fire Island, 18 distinct different communities. I believe it's at 31 miles long. There is Samara Riviera. Hello, Samara. Great to see you on Isla Fuego. And there is a 360 look of the beautiful Atlantic Ocean beach. From Fire Island, everybody, it's Ryan. And I'm about to go in the water. But before I go swimming, I wanted to share the ever calming sounds of the water at Fire Island.